say you can decide to have intercourse with your husband, your boyfriend, or whoever. But when there comes the time for you to deliver, all you need is to be in good health and go to the hospital. You give birth, you deliver, everything is bought by the state. And to anyone who is going to give birth, you just go there, check yourself in. In fact, pre-maternal, it was sorted for by the state, the government. And this was started by John Kufuor. Now, after Kufuor left, subsequent governments have tried to sustain it. And in fact, under MPP government the past 8 years, we did everything possible for that to be sustained and even expanded the coverage of the health insurance now. Now, right now, as I'm talking to you, I can tell you that there are a lot of women stranded at our hospitals. A lot of them. And anyone who is watching me who has been to the maternity unit of any hospitals in the past 8 months will attest to this. And it's because gradually, the cash and carry system is returning even in birth. And the free maternal health care, as we used to have it, it has been depleted. It has become more or less like cash and carry. And so there are women in our hospitals right now who have delivered, and for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks are still in the hospital. And the only reason is because they are owing money. Yeah. And that is what is happening under this government of John Dramani Mahama. This is happening live and colored under John Dramani Mahama. People go to give birth. After giving birth, they have delivered, they are healthy, the child is healthy, but they cannot go home. Why can't they go home? Because they are owing money. So you ask yourself, say Obi to make a hospital, and for childbirth, they are not able to pay. How would that person manage to pay for the school fees, the senior high school school fees? If someone is not able to pay for childbirth, now senior high school fees, thanks to those who are gifted. But this is happening now, and there are a lot of news items to the extent, say the NGOs have to start intervening. NGOs, they are the one intervening now because the situation is so dire. There is a woman in one of the hospitals right now. No, she has stayed on admission for more than 2 months. It's because she doesn't have money to pay. And you know the sad aspect. Every day that you stay on in the hospital, no, it brings more charges. And eventually, no, you are there, you are stranded, you don't know, there is no hope for you. You are left at the mercy of poverty. Now, when we tell Ghanaians repeatedly, on several occasions, say, every decision you make, every single vote you vote, whether a assemblyman or a MP, a parliamentary candidate, or whatever vote you make, and especially, most importantly, about the government, the political party that leads your country that you are in, are very important, and has its own consequences. These are some of the things we've been talking about. Now you are even afraid as a married woman to get pregnant if you don't have money, because you will go to the hospital and you'll be stranded. You will go to the hospital and nobody is going to mind you. Public hospital for that matter. And all these things, you see a health minister who is only concerned about TikTok, about content creation. One thing that has happened, I hear helicopter crash way that we are all grieving. We were all grieving. Health minister, as so who camera now yen some star be now nante to say obi a piano from the back or untimi kire. Meanwhile, pregnant women and mothers who have delivered are stranded at the various hospitals because of Muniska. And these are the things that I'm expecting health minister to quickly be addressing. If someone goes to the hospital now or it goes to give birth now in his car, there should be a way out that the state will intervene. This is what Kufuor did not want. This is what Kufuor did not want. This is what Dr. Bawumia did not want. Under Kufuor, Dr. Bawumia, you go to the hospital, you are going to give birth, and you know that you are, after giving birth, all you need is good health, and you are going back home. What is changing? What has changed? Just 8 months. You see, why are people staying in the hospital for 2 months because they don't have money? What is happening? Where is social welfare in all of this? Social welfare no ewa and the 8 months of John Mahama say no social welfare no effective biom. They have harbored money. They are so much trying hard to prevent themselves from releasing money into things that will help the citizens so that they can claim they are working on the exchange rate. And now look at what is happening. Those days, if someone goes to the hospital and doesn't have money, after some time, social welfare has to intervene. So why would someone go and give birth because of money, stay in the hospital for 6 weeks, 7 weeks? Why? This is Ghana. This is Ghana 2025 that I'm talking about.
Yes, Ghana for fancy comedy. Or that's so if it's a police station, if it's a court, and a court man bail say any day, you know, but bail condition, you intimate here. I had them pie, you go so I had a but me and fast that Emma, one of them was about the incoming, your friend say, national organizer. Mine, we need papa Ghana for, we need papa, me say, and can you on no on? Yet that's what home, yet that's what home, Brian Bren or how. Miss easy. Now I feel me who say the Tiana Namu a year paya no mocase a man near there ma ye bush and be near in your be a dano a yam papa say court to Yama or be crampono na we bet me meet condition no crown so any day and yasam catua. Intino your friend say one of them was about why are dear papa because in ye easy one no quan sense a chief fancy comedy would jump fancy comedy a cheer or bird Juma Palma fancy comedy. It's one of them was about a Yakupon shop. Watch as a grassroots for them. Walk my yes. Now, yeah, Canada, social media for and fancy comedy. And two more for. They say a cry, you move in two for. You move into your for cry. Your fire wandering. Yes, your fire wandering, pie, your fire wandering. Because you said, as MCC and Kufuor bad the Belgian France. And Kufuor said that bar a high do interview, so no be interview, no more day, no more call. Yeah, you do a man, so no more day, or my judgment day, Abueso. Is yet a good monitor. O mo do interview so no ma ba no ma beje glory ne ba no ma beje e do adwuma so no ma yumani no ye gu so se ye nkwa ne wa ha o onabo mosisi abope ene ye dey e di akini ti ye hwe ye gu ha ye dey ye hwe ti Ghana fo se ma fa mo ho adwen a mese se fansa ye dey pa kuma so yes fansa ba kuma so manya me ya we ya bia prasa na no se me so ye dey aforo me no wa sa atras ye de we e dru animonyam so ne nkofo abeje animonyam koyi de yes ye hu achi de 2028 still possible. Yes, still possible. Ghana for now. We'll share, man. What's it?